Right, let's have a walk around. It's easy to set up, but let's have a walk around what all these places and where they are set up, right? And where you can edit them. I'll break this out into a trading course elsewhere, but this is just an introduction. So you've got your profile page. It's like a Facebook page or like a Twitter page, isn't it? Your name, things that you've posted. When you create a post, you can decide who does it, private members or a public post, and you can show it. You can show your tiers down the side here. Like I said, I've just messed about in mine, so I've got a whole load of ones that I don't need. Some information you can decide to show the world how much you're making per month on your patrons, how many you've got, and how much you're making, and then some share links for your specific pages. So Facebook page, Twitter page, YouTube. But if we go into the side here, you can create a post. You can, create a draft post. You can schedule posts to go out. So you've got a new video coming out on Tuesday. We're going to schedule it to go out to the members on Monday. Schedule it, make a post, right? So this is like, I don't know if you use WordPress or anything like that, but it's a regular post editor. What kind of post is it going to be? Is it going to be a video, a live stream, audio? So let's just do text, new video on Patreon. Learn how to use Patreon. Any tags, Patreon. If you use them regular, happy me. Will it let me do a dash? Yeah. Add any attachments that you've got, upload files. Then you go here. Well, we've made an update that gives you better control. So now you're going to say, who's it going to? All the public, everybody. All my patrons, everybody who's got it. Offer patrons early access to content. Right, posts will become public on at a date. Or is it only for certain tiers? I'm going to say no, it's not for the $1 ones. It's for everybody above that. Or it's not for the $3 ones. Right? So you're going to send it out to your top tier. Teaser text, you can add some information. Public to fans and patrons who don't have access. So, new video on Patreon. And it'll probably say for members only, right? Let's click here and learn more, right? It'll say monthly update, and once a patron only published, your potential patrons see a teaser on post shared via media underneath the post title of your page. On page to get access to this post and more, right? Join Smart, right? So you're going to get a teaser if you're on $1, right? Publish it now. And it's just like your Facebook page. It's now saved and you can share it. You can share that tweet, But on your page now, you've got a new post. Recent posts. Here we go. New video on. You add your video. You do your things. You decide who's allowed to see it. And you share it. And it will email them if you've got email set up. You can see post dashboard. You can see some data on how many people have viewed them. I haven't got into it. Obviously, I don't use Patreon yet, so I don't know the full ins and outs of it. I'll probably do another video when I've used it. Well, I'll do a video on how to use it exactly. Patreon benefits. This is where your rewards are, right? Get started. This is those rewards, and we're going to change them. Pledge $1. Here's what it is. Thanks for joining. So what did Steve Dotto said? For his $1, he just put, I'll give you a great big hug when I see you. Right? You're not getting anything out of this reward. Right? Save tier. Go back to the content page. Here it is now. Thanks for joining. I'll give you a great big hug when I see you. Join for $1. Right? And then people can sign up and join. Yes. It's going to be tax and stuff like that. Back to patrons. So then you go through all your rewards. You go through your benefits, right? And you change them and you add them. Then you've got, if depending on your tier, you've got other options. Behind the scenes, share a glimpse behind the scenes. Did you not offer? Also, some ideas of what you can say. So you might have a video that's some sort of big documentary or something, and then you might want to say it's a bit. If you get for $5, you get to see all the behind the scenes footage. You get to see the outtakes. You get to see stuff like that, right? You have a private community where only people can comment on posts in a private community. Extras, stuff like that, right? You can see the benefits now of all these extras that you can get. Publish, post, engage. Oh no, here patrons. Exit surveys. So let's go through all of them. Benefits we've been through. Sorry, relationship management. So you're going to see your members here. I'm going to see what they've signed up for, where they've commented. You'll be able to click on them and see what their current status is. Block users. If you've got any dodgy trolls that have signed up that just want to flame you, get them blocked. Exit surveys. If people decide to leave your patron account or membership, it's going to ask you why you're leaving, and you'll get this is why. Bit of feedback, right? Bit of feedback. Didn't get any value. You didn't post when you said you were gonna. I can't afford it anymore. Whatever it is, but you get a bit of feedback to tinker with your patronage, right? Here we go. Promote it. Special offers. Early access tickets. So if you've got tickets, you've got something to sell. Send a special stickers. I'm not sure why you want to do that. Personalised physical postcards. You can send a postcard to people. Lots and lots of different options, right? Lots and lots of things to do. Embed a button on your website so you can copy this code, put it on your website, and look here, it says here, become a partner, become a patron, become a member. And then your income reports, you're going to see where your money is, how much you've made, anything that people have refunds that you've had to give, any payments that are declined, payouts, and some VAT information. So yes, there's a lot more to learn to setting up your Patreon account than what I've just gone through there. But I just want to introduce you to the basics of it, setting it up, and how I'm losing my voice, how easy it is, right?